This mattress by FDW is made with a high-density base support foam, a gel memory foam, and a tight top cover. People say that it provides good support through its firmness, yet it quickly softens and conforms to their body. Let me show you how this one opens up, and then I'll give you my opinion on it. The top on this is really soft, and I like the patterning on it too. It just feels really comfortable all the way around. And it's nice and tight against the bed too. Not a lot of slack, meaning it lays nice and flat. It has some memory foam give to it, but overall I'd say this is a pretty firm mattress. I like them like that, because then I can get a good value on a 6-inch mattress like this, because then I can throw on the latest 3-inch memory foam mattress topper and I get the exact amount of cushion to the exact amount of firmness that I prefer. So go for the mattress by itself if you want the memory foam top feel without the thick memory foam top mattress squish. And if you do want to add memory foam topper mattress like I do to my beds, then just get this 6-inch one right here and you're good to go.